my channel. In today's video I'm here with this Eva Puzzle Mat series. So it's a product of China and it should be played or used above 3 years of child. So it's properly a mat and with this dino theme, you could say. So over here, as you can see, non-toxic material is used, meets safety standard recommended for children 3 and up. So let's not waste much time and open it. Beautiful. So now I'm just taking out the foil back. The color is looking very beautiful. So as you can see over here, please focus over here. I need to take it out like this so that it could stuck to another puzzle mat. Like this, then only it will get stuck. So it all like this. I need to take this out and then like this we could stuck. So we need to do it like this. Isn't it looking beautiful? The big mat will be converted. So that's all for today's video. Yes, before leaving, I must tell you the price of it. It costed me around $9 to $10. So you can go to market. If you like this, do not forget to purchase it. It's good for your kids.